everyone, welcome back to Literature with Sasha. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of modern literature from 1900 to 1962. This period marked a major turning point in literary history with groundbreaking authors and innovative writing style that continues to shape literature today. Whether you are a fan of T.S. Eliot's fragmented poetry or Virginia Woolf's introspective narratives, there's so much to explore, so grab your favorite book, sit back, and let's dive into the revolutionary world of modernism. Introduction. Modern literature, which spans from the early 20th century to 1962, marked a dramatic departure from the literary traditions of the 19th century. This period is characterized by an exploration of new ideas, bold experimentations with forms, and a break from conventional narrative structures. At the core of modernist work was a desire to capture the complexities of modern experiences, especially in light of societal upheaval, technological advancements, and world wars. During this era, literature transformed in ways that reflected the anxieties, disillusionment, and shifting values of the time. The World Wars, rapid industrialization, and the rise of psychology and philosophy played important role in shaping modern literature. The rise of modernism. What is modernism in literature? Modernism in literature is a broad cultural, artistic, and literary movement that sought to break away from traditional forms and explore new ways of expression. It was characterized by an exploration of disillusionment, alienation, and a sense of fragmentation. Writers sought to represent the inner workings of the mind, often breaking from linear storytelling to experimenting with the language and structure. Key features of modernist literature. Modernist literature is marked by several key features. Number one, non-linear narratives. Writers often experimented with fragmented or disrupted storytelling. Number two, stream of consciousness, a technique used to capture the flow of thoughts and feelings within the mind of a character. Disillusionment, the loss of faith in societal values, especially in the wake of World War One. Emphasize on individual experiences. Modernist works frequently focus on the subjective experience of a characters rather than universal themes. Important authors of modern literature 1900 to 1962. T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot is one of the most influential poets in the 20th century. His works, such as The Wasteland 1920, capture the fragmentation and disillusionment that define modernist literature. Eliot's poetry reflects the disintegration of society, the search for meaning, and the spiritual void that followed the World War. James Joyce. James Joyce is an important modernist literature best known for his novel Ulysses 1922. Joyce employed stream of consciousness to delve deeply into the inner lives of his characters. Ulysses is often regarded as one of the greatest achievements in modernist literature, capturing the ordinary lives of Dubliners in a profound experimental ways. Virginia Woolf. Virginia Woolf was a leading figure in modernist fiction. Her work, including Mrs. Dalloway 1925 and To the Lightning House 1927, explored themes of consciousness, time, and the nature of reality. Woolf's uses of stream of consciousness and her focus on the inner lives of women are defining features of her modernist style. Ernest Hemingway. He is best known for his spare, concise writing style. His work includes The Sun Also Rises 1926 and A Farewell to Arms 1929 reflect the post-World War I ethos, captures feeling of alienation, loss, and the search of meaning. Major literary movement during this era. Imaginism and its influence. Imaginism was a movement in early modernist poetry that emphasized clarity, precision, and the use of vivid imagery. Poets like Ezra Pound rejected flowery language and instead focused on presenting clear, concrete image to evoke emotion. Stream of consciousness is a literary technique that aims to represent the continuous flow of characters' thoughts and feelings. It was popularized by writers like James Joyce and Virginia Woolf. This technique allowed authors to depict the complexities and randomness of human consciousness. Surrealism and Dadaism. were modern movements that challenged conventional artistic and literary forms. Surrealist writers sought to explore the unconscious mind and break down the barriers between reality and imagination. Dadaism, on the other hand, rejected logic and embraced chaos, creating a new form of artistic rebellion. The impact of World War I and II on literature, the war's psychological influence. The World War had a profound psychological impact on writers. Themes of alienation, trauma, and the absurdity of war infused much of modernist literature. The horrors of war prompted writers to question traditional values and explore the futility of human existence. Post war literature and disillusionment. After World War I, writers like T.S. Eliot captured the disillusionment felt by many people. The optimism in the 19th century was replaced by a sense of pessimism and despair as individuals sought meaning in fractured world. Themes and innovations in modern literature. Number 1, alienation and isolation. A central theme in modern literature is the sense of alienation, often portrayed as a consequence of modernity. Many characters experience a profound sense of isolation, whether due to war, societal change, and personal turmoil. Experimentation with forms and language. Modernist writers frequently experimented with forms, breaking away from traditional narrative techniques. Writers like Joyce and Woolf challenged readers to rethink the way stories were told using non-linear timelines, fragmented structures, and interior monologue to portray the complexities of human experience. The search for meaning in a modern world. Modernist writers were worried with the search for meaning in a world that had seemingly lost its direction, with breaking down of traditional values and the rise of existential thoughts. Many authors explored how individuals could find purpose in a rapidly changing, often confusing world. The influence of philosophy and psychology. Sigmund Freud theories of the unconsciousness mind and Carl Jung's ideas about archetype deeply influenced modernist literature. Writers were fascinated by the way in which unconscious desires and psychological drives shapes human behavior, often delves into the hidden recesses of human mind in their work. Existentialist philosophy, which emerged in the early 20th century, had a profound influence on literature. Writers like Franz Kafka and Jean-Paul Sartre explored themes of absurdity, free will, and the search for meaning in a world devoid of inherent purpose. Women in modern literature. Women's writers like Virginia Woolf unique insight into the female experience. Their works challenge societal norms and explore the complex roles women play in a rapidly changing world. Woolf's contribution to modernist literature are profound. Her explorations of consciousness, time, and the inner lives of women continues to resonate with readers and critics today. The evolution of literary style. Modern literature was in many ways a rejection of conventions of the Victorian era. Writers sought to break free from rigid narrative structures and decorative language. In its place, modern literature embraced complexity, ambiguity, and subjectivity. One of the hallmarks of modernist literature was the fragmentation of narrative. Technique mirrored the fractured reality that writers saw around them, offering readers an experience that reflected the chaos of modern life. The legacy of modern literature 1900 to 1962. Modern literature laid the groundwork for postmodernism, a movement that further blurred the lines between fiction and reality. The experimentation with forms, the questioning of meaning, and the focus on individual experience all paved the way for the writers who followed. The legacy of modern literature continue to influence contemporary authors. Writers today still draw on modernist themes, techniques, and styles, ensuring that the works of this era remain vital and relevant in the literary world. Conclusion. Modern literature 1900 to 1960, a revolutionary period that forever altered the landscape of English literature. Writers broke free from tradition, exploring new narrative forms, experimenting with language, and tackling themes of alienation, meaning, and human consciousness. The legacy of modernism endures in contemporary literature, continue to inspire writers and readers alike. Thanks for watching Literature with Sasha. I hope you enjoyed exploring the world of modern literature with me today. If you are passionate about books and literary history, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let me know your thoughts on modernism and which author or work has had the most impact on you. See you in the next video where we will continue on journey through the incredible world of literature.